guys! Welcome to my channel! Long time no see! But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, okay? Guys, good morning. By the way, we are here in the Touchless car wash. So we're gonna let our car take a bath. So look at that, how dirty is our car. Oops. So this is it, the entrance. So we're gonna look back. We're gonna go to that entrance. So Al James got her code there. We're gonna put the code there. That one. This is our bill for the extreme wash, guys. Guys, we're entering already. Wow. And you hear that? You hear that, guys? Oh. We're inside the car. Kingdom. Look at one.
Good kay. Sige, good.
Say hi to my viewers, Gab. Hi.
Hi, also my mom. Hi guys, I'm my mom. Hi, my mom's viewers. Don't forget to subscribe me. It's AJ Squad.
Nisingit pa. Extreme animang wash ka, Al James. So this is the soap na.
Yuck! What is these?
Sabon.
Why do they look dirty?
So yun natural sabon. Ano naka-decide ka magpa-inanibay, magpa-washing?
Papulan ko mo limpyo.
So mukha na, talo! Ano ka?
Oo, naikot sa basto.
That's the crack I was talking about.
Polishing na. Yung wulog pa eh.
Wall of fire. Guys, why do you like Guys, why do you like country songs? Don't nice?
Dry na, dry. This is the dry now. So cleaning, washing, polishing, surface protectant, spot free range, turtle eyes, or this is the instant shine, and then wall of fire. So that's all. That's the step. Wala siyang machine, so naklaro na ninyo guys. Wala siya ang machine.
Why does up there
forward na siya. So, go na mi. Go out na tayo. That's done! While in the car, inside the car, I had to try my new lipstick. It's a L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick. It's really a lightweight, guys, and the color is lead, which is just the number of 444 or the code. So it's really good. It's really nice on our lips. It's like you cannot feel that there's a lipstick in your lips, but the color is really pigmented, guys, and I really like this lipstick. It's really good to our lips, and you see the color is really nice, good for morena, I guess. So here's the pic. Washing is done already, and we're going to where? What's the next stop?
New York.
New York. Now we're going to the mall to have our lunch there.
And I remember in Philippines we went to a restaurant. I had a burger and a shrimp on it, and the burger was so big.
And that is in Big Ben. Sa Big Ben yan.
Or a McDonald's.
Oh, lipi na siya ka.
McDonald's!
Takap sa mall lang ta ha.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I'm gonna eat A&W burger.
To the mall. What are you using for that?
At the festival here, it's gonna be
This is our car now.
nice one.
Al James is checking if it's done good.
and there's
Good?
a mini swan.
Pero ang sa likod. Pero nawala man ang pinakakuan nga. Oh, kaya siya limpyo. Siya ka limpyo. Okay na.
Guys, this is Old Savage Lopez.